Hey everyone! Today is super special because we have some family visiting all the way from Dubai. Our cousins and brother-in-law. We're all heading out to Sohar Beach here in Oman to soak up the sun, have fun, and make some amazing memories together. Let's go!
Continue on Route 1 for 10 kilometers.
Saka hindi nyo pa kabisado yung way. Kaya natagal.
We have just arrived at Sohar Beach, and to our surprise, it's still completely dark. Sunrise has not yet shown in its glorious presence. The air is filled with a fresh and crisp scent. The waves are gently crashing upon the shore, and serene and peaceful atmosphere can be sensed all around. We are getting ourselves perfectly ready to set up a delicious breakfast spread along with a lovely small beach barbecue event, all while patiently waiting for the sun to finally rise and brighten up our day. It's truly the ideal and perfect starting point for our unenjoyable day filled with family fun and bonding.
Ikamti sa baw na tinola.
Ay sadyang ganyan, umaaraw, umuulan. Huwag kang maawa sa iyong sarili, isipin na wala ka ng silbi, sa tambuhalang kalokohan, bukas sisikatin muli ang araw, ngunit para lang sa may tiyaga. Maganda, kaya, oh kaibigan, huwag kang mapapatalo, kaibigan, taas ang loob. Oh yeah, wala rin mangyayari, ay walang mapapala, huwag mong pigilan ng pagbuhos na ulan.
We're enjoying the beach vibes. Ah, inabot na kami ng umaga. Sunrise na. Yung mga kumare kung mabili tayo ng ano, hipon. Pauwi na naman kami. Handa na kaming pauwi.
Naring mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala, huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maghihari, may panahon para mataba, dahil ang buhay natin
Kaya nga. Sa bahay na lang pwede.
umaaraw, umuulan.
Jai.
Umaaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Umaaraw, hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Kinapang mong marahan ang hagdanan para lamang makidlatan sa kaitaas-taasan. Ngunit kaibigan, huwag kang
Nandito.
mapapasitan.
Mars!
Kaibigan, easy lang sa iya.
Sayang.
Dahil wala rin mangyayari, tayo walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ng pagbuhos ng ulan.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Pero nagano na kami. Suportahan ko kayo sa subscribe. Dapat organic. Mga bata dito nakasuot na nakamubas na yung talagang park lang kung saan saan. Ito ang fish port ng Sohar, Oman.
Yun ba? Itong payo na yan?
Sa ulo.
Ito yung card dito. Oo nga, tanong mo nga.
We spent some delightful
Anong
time at
namin
Sohar
pwedeng
Beach,
mag-fish?
and after enjoying our time there, we made a brief stop at the Sohar Fish Market to acquire some fresh and succulent seafood for dinner. The bustling market was filled with an abundance of amazing catches, and we couldn't resist trying our hand at fishing too. While we were at it, some of us managed to catch a few unexpected surprises, and it turned out to be a fantastic way to spend our time together by the water, relishing every moment in the company of our loved ones as a family.
Fishing daw kami. Mag-fishing daw si Chashi. Hello, Chashi. How are you, bebe? Ang pogi-pogi naman. From Dubai. Love. Natalia Vlog and Zephyrai. Ati Pampano? Kakamuti na pinagan bisita. May laman kaya to? Baka naman ano. Yung ibisugo dito. Inanagan natang sila. Abot pa saya. May pala ng mga isda na to. Tulingan. Makarel. Mga 1 real ito. Hello. How much per kg?
Durian 500 rupees. 1 kg. Durian 500 rupees.
No, spas. No skill. 1 real bas. Discount. One real isang tumpok. Kam?
2 kg, 2 kg, durian 500. 2 kg,
2 kg,
durian 500.
2 real 500. Okay, 2 kg. 2 kilos, 2 real 400. Tamban. May tatatoy pa na sa kilo. Hindi, kada 1 kg. Okay. More than 2 kg, 3 reals. Pwede daw mamingwit dito guys, kaya bumili kami ng hipon, pamain para mamingwit ng isda. Kesa bibili pa kami. Sana madami kaming mamingwit. Dadalhin ko tong hipon pamain sa bingwit ni Charles. Mahilig kasi siyang mag-fishing. Dahil pwede naman mamingwit dito sa fish port, mamimingwit na lang kesa bibili. Diba? Ito ang buhay nila dito sa Sohar. Ito na yung pamaing. Wala. Anong meron? Talakitok. Walang pamaing eh.
Meron naman.
Anong nilagay mo pamaing? Ay, tinapay. Wala kaming nabingwit guys. 0. Change location.
Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Kinapang mong marahan ang
Suddenly, as we were exploring the lively Sohar fish market and enjoying the delightful time fishing at the sloping seashore, we found ourselves heading back home with a sense of contentment. It's the perfect method to unwind, allowing us to reflect on thoroughly enjoyable day filled with genuine simple pleasures. Afterward, we returned home to have a peaceful time together, spending some quality time in one another's company. It serves as an ideal way to relax and reminisce about a day that was filled with the simple joys.
Magandang view ngayon. Sa Avery yata. Guys.
Huwag lang border ng Dubai. Kuman pa rin. Permit daw.
Trip na ba? Konting ka ba? Yun lang ang conflict kasi hindi
Papi mo lose. Dubai. Tugar.
pyramids ka. We're here, Buraimi. Nagbibisita mi guys. Taga Dubai.
At home, we take delight in a warm and inviting dinner together, following the sharing of captivating stories and bursts of laughter during the meal. It's time for our beloved cousins and cherished brother-in-law to make their way back to Dubai, symbolizing the conclusion of an unforgettable and delightful day for all of us.
Singeris. Kompleto na yung ano. Nagawad kayo manong bebe. Nagawad ka man dito ba yun? Ba? Bye-bye. God man ni Chashi di Dubai. Sige. You dance also. Bibang Biba. Biba Max. Wow.
Our time together in Oman has come to an end. And now, my cousins are heading back to Dubai.
Ako kinabati yun. Ang sumli na di Dubai yun. Agawid man ni Chashi. Dubai yun. Magkito man ang mamari. Going back to Dubai. At least hindi ka wakawangan. May marinig ko. Charles, ingat sa pagdadrive.